Okay, let's just show the, if I just click on details, we want to show the same product, the product, the user, and all the details as we use in our admin panel. So if you just go click on back, if I just click on any product detail or any order detail, then it can show all the details, right? So we need exactly the same functionality here. So if I just open up my text editor, and you can see we are getting the ID. So I'll say just go ahead and find the order which has the same ID. If you just click any of ID, and then simply we need to import the order class. That's exactly here. Okay, and then finally we need to return the view. I think we didn't create a view yet, so we need to go to front and then profile and create a new blade file called details. It could be something like order details, but we'll make it details. For user, I think it's not good. We need to make it details inside profile page, but let's just make it. Okay, and then of course it will extend front layouts, the master layouts, and inside content. And section, and then let's say, for example, this is user order details page. Okay, and then we'll create the view, redirect the page to front, profile, and then details, right? And then of course we'll compact orders to bind the array for the view. Okay, the pass, we basically want to compact, as I mentioned, pass the data of this variable to the page, to the view. So if you just go ahead and reload the page and click on detail of any page, and there we go. We are just, the page is okay, that's working. So now let's just, basically the page is created. We just need to copy all the things, right, that are here. We need to copy all these things and then paste them here. That's it. Simply, I don't want to waste your time to recreate all the code, for example the tables, and then paste the data. Basically the data is here. I'll explain them. So if I just go to my order details, there we go, that you can see views, admin, and then orders. So if I just click here, and then simply I think we need to copy all the rows from here. So just copy this row and then go to your profile details page, then make an HR and just paste this, right? So let's just reload the page. We might get some errors, no, but we are just not getting any error, right? That's perfectly working. So if you just go back, click on this detail, there we go, we are just getting the max screen. That's the proof that it's working perfectly. And Lenovo, the product, okay, that's also great, right? So that means the product details, order detail page is working perfectly. So let's just the style is not good. I think we need to improve some style for this. So we need to remove the cards, because these classes are using by admin panel, so we need to remove these stuff. And then let's add table border. Okay, I think the order details would be, if you just cut this order detail from here, okay, and let's just paste it inside of our head and then create a new th that call spans to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, call span 7, and then paste it here. Let's see, for example, what happens. Okay, that's good. That's bordered. Okay, I think that looks good. And we don't need this button, the action tab and this button, we don't need them, right? And this time this is not label. Bootstrap 4 is using something like badge. So if you just remove them and use badge, and then badge for success, right? And then just copy this and paste it here, and batch for warning, I think something like that. Okay, that's nice. So let's work on these styles. So I think the table is, you know, okay, the same style we'll use. If you want to do the same, you can just skip this video and you can skip some few minutes and do this, but I'll try to do them quickly. So we need to just remove the card. Okay, let's just remove the title. Okay, and then remove one div from here. Yeah, and then we need a table bordered. There we go. That's exactly nice. This is basically the user details, right? So we can also create a HR, horizontal rule. That's the user details, and then for product details, we'll just remove the extra stuff that we don't need. And yeah, table bordered, and then a div from here, and then reload the page. There we go. And of course we need to put HR to it looks beautiful. Okay, there we go. So this is our order page. So if I just go back to our profile page and then click on this order, there we go. This is confirmed and the quantity is 1. So if I just go to click on this, okay, the quantity is 2 and this is the price. Okay, what is this X? So let's just debug this. Check the problem real quick. I cannot find any X. So if I just scroll up, oh yeah, this is hard coded. So if you just remove this and reload the page, there we go, that's working. So this is all the data that we are currently getting: the order details, the user details, and then product details. And if you just go back, this is Billy logged in, and this is the Billy's information and his orders information, right? And you can also use edit user functionality to edit the user. It's very simple. Okay, but before that, let me just explain what's going on here. So first we are working with orders detail, right? And we are getting the orders from, if you just go to back to our okay, we need to go to our show method, and we are just passing the variable order here, and inside order we just have order ID, and we are just talking about the order details page. So we have order ID, and we are just setting properties, right? And then order items, what is order item, right? So if we just open my order model, and this is basically order items, and we are using it like a method, and we are calling the 0 index, it's kind of for each loop, it's making it for each, and then we are getting the quantity, right? And of course the order address, and then order item price, right? And then finally, yeah, for user details, we're using the order user data, right? Again, if you just go to model, there we go, the relation is belongs to, of course, a user belongs to this product, right? The user ID, the order, sorry, excuse me, the username and the user email, and then when it's created, the same for product, right? The product, and this for this product, because it returns a collection, so that's why we'll use 0 index to solve this issue. Okay, so if you just go to model, there we go, we just have product, and a product belongs to, because we are using the belongs to relation, so we need to put 0 in order to, or we have just two options. We can for each it, or we use this 0 index, right? The name of the product, and then price and image, blah blah blah, all this stuff, right? So once again, congratulations, you just complete the profile page, but edit user still remains. That's your task to do it. If you have any problem while, if you face any problem while edit the user, so you can directly contact me on forum. I'll help you to do this, right? So okay, so in the next video we'll try to work on some seeders. That is one of the important part, and then we'll start our beautiful shopping cart. So see you in the next video.